Hey there, amazing people! Welcome to WC&GY VLOGS, the ultimate destination for entertainment, fun, and adventure. If you're looking for a channel that's all about exploring new places, having a blast, and sharing daily life experiences, you've come to the right place. Whether you're here for the breathtaking travel vlogs, the side-splitting moments, or just to hang out with us on our daily adventures, you're part of our incredible vlogging family. At WC&GY VLOGS, we're all about creating memories and bringing a smile to your face. It's not just about the places we go, but the moments we share, the laughter we create, and the unforgettable experiences we capture. We're not just vloggers, we're a community of like-minded adventurers, explorers, and friends. So, whether you're new here or a long-time subscriber, welcome back. We're thrilled to have you with us. Your support, comments, and enthusiasm mean the world to us. We love hearing from you and sharing our lives with you. It's what makes this journey truly special. So grab some popcorn, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Stay tuned for more incredible vlogs, laughter, and unforgettable memories here on WC&GY VLOGS. We can't wait to share this adventure with you. Don't forget to follow us on social media to stay updated on all the latest happenings. And remember, life's an adventure, and the best part is we're in it together.